طيب خلاص نشوف بعدين معك.
يا شوف الو
Montana.
يا 1 minute my friend. اوكي حبيبي هلا ابوي هلا اخوي سلام.
يلا باي.
Amigo.
How you been, Montana?
Good, my friend. How are you?
Pretty good too, right here working, like always.
Working.
Yeah. I had a question about how much does a quart of color for a Mazda? I think it's color code 45B.
45?
Yeah, 45B. That's the code, I think. Yeah.
B as in boy?
Yeah.
Okay, Mazda 45B. Okay. It's a blue color.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what this name? It's local color, my friend. This is expensive color. It's
Oh,
very
yeah?
expensive. It's super expensive.
Oh my God! Don't tell me that.
Yeah. Look, you have two choices. No, wait. Okay, look, my friend.
Is that 3
I
stage
have
too?
something. It's coming with the metallic.
Uh-huh.
And I have another formula with the pro.
Uh-huh.
Okay. The metallico, la cuarto es barato.
Uh-huh.
La cuarto para okay. Is it gray color?
It's like a bluish.
Blue dark?
Kind of like a metallic blue, kind of.
Yeah, okay, look my friend. Yeah, I have it. The cuarto barati, la mediana is gonna be 85.
Okay. What about the other one you said, the pearl?
The pro is mucho dinero, my friend.
Is
It's
it?
Mucho. La mediana is 135.
Okay. And what's the difference, Montana? Like, would I be able to tell, like,
Okay,
if I paint it?
the variants. Okay, this different variants. I have dark variants.
Mm-hmm.
I have metallic variants with pro, but not a lot like the standard.
Mm-hmm.
When you come, if you want, I show you the difference.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just finish up right here, a little bit of sanding, and I'll go ahead and
Yeah,
take
but
apart.
it's expensive. Tell him he has, and tell him, look, to me, be easy for you. Tell him, my friend, here's the code, go ask.
Yeah. Yeah, cause
But for you, I give you la mediana is good.
yeah.
Yeah, la mediana, I give you, well, 480 para ti.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna finish sanding right here then, and I'll head out there right now in a little.
Okay, my friend, and I'm gonna explain that for you.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, Bonito.
All right. I'll see you in a little, Montana.
See you.
Thanks. Bye. What's up, guys? So I'm right here. About to paint the door job. I'm about to just cover the whole car. Put plastic on it, and then once I cover it down, I'm gonna cover the window and then the door. I'm actually cover the door first, then put the plastic over it. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I gotta really finish this car by today because I got some other guy from the truck. I don't know if I told you guys or showed you guys the other truck, the 3500. Okay, so I'm about to spray my second coat. gonna go ahead and spray my control coat right after. Now I'm gonna put the reducer on the edges on the blend so it can fade out. I'm just mixing up my clear right here. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the clear as well as clear the door and clear that fender over there. Finish clearing them and call it a day. Yep, let's get to it. Putty on the doors right there. I fixed the dents and stuff, and yeah, I'm right now. I'm just sanding it down, sanding it with 600 actually, and I'll move on to 800. 600 on the areas that are different color paint, and then where the blend is gonna go, like right here, it's gonna be 800. I'm gonna sand everything, all this with 800, all this with 800 and stuff, and I'll blend to this quarter panel right here and then clear it all at the end, and then right here I'll blend up to right here and then clear the whole thing. And then I'm thinking about, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna blend into the hood as well, because it is a fender here and it's a different color. So I'm gonna blend into the hood probably like around this area, and then just go ahead and clear the whole thing. I was just gonna do a blend on the clear as well, but that way it could look nice. I'm gonna just clear the whole thing, that way it'll look pretty decent. But yeah, it should be a pretty exciting job.